So before you spend your money on Procore, is this construction software really worth the high price tag? Many contractors are asking if it actually saves time and headaches, or if it's just another expensive tool that's hard to use. We're breaking down the real value, user feedback, and the final verdict: buy or avoid. Procore is a cloud-based construction management platform. It promises to connect the field and office with tools for drawings, RFIs, submittals, daily logs, budgeting, and real-time collaboration. They offer unlimited users and 24/7 support. Pricing is custom and often starts high. Think tens of thousands per year. Now, it sounds powerful for big projects, but basically anything with enterprise-level features and big annual fees can feel overwhelming for smaller teams. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Procore.com is a well-established company, founded in 2002, with a very old domain from 1998. Scam Advisor and security checks on their main site and subdomains rated as safe and legit. No major red flags on trust scores. This leans toward trustworthy. It's a real, mature software company, not a fly-by-night operation. Moving on to real user experience and reviews. Trustpilot doesn't have a main company page with many reviews, but on Capterra, G2, and Software Advice, Procore holds strong 4.5 out of 5 ratings from thousands of users. One specific example, a project manager said it keeps everything organized in one place and makes subcontractor tracking much easier with real-time photos and updates. However, the pattern shows complaints about the steep learning curve and rising costs every renewal. Pros: excellent organization, real-time collaboration, and solid mobile app for field teams. It can reduce errors and improve coordination on large projects. Cons: it's expensive, has a big learning curve, and some users report price hikes at renewal, plus limited refunds. The downside is serious for small or mid-sized contractors who may not need all the features. One strong red flag is the high and increasing pricing with strict non-refundable contracts. This matters because if it doesn't fit your team size or workflow, you could be locked into a costly annual commitment with little way out. So, with its long track record, high user ratings for big firms, but expensive cost and learning curve, Procore is legit, but not for everyone. Proceed with extreme caution if you run a small business. It's worth it mainly for larger construction companies that can afford the investment. Otherwise, look at cheaper alternatives first. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just make sure you protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If this helped you avoid a bad purchase, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.